edge, people. For those of you who don't know how to hear, I said olauEdge. Alright, so I'm really tired and I really didn't want to record this video. But I mean, I already promised I would. So if the editing job isn't too great, that is exactly why. So keep that in mind. We got the olauEdge here. We got the olauEdge, boys. This is by Edge Nation and YoyoFacotry. So basically, Evan Nagao kind of just stole YoyoFacotry stuff and made his own brand out of it. I don't really like it because it looks kind of stupid on the inside. I don't know. It's just like, I know Hunter Fierstein uses it, I think. I saw him use it for competing at Illinois States. But I don't know if he likes it or... but it's not my favorite, I guess. It looks basically like an unbimetal edge. It's super similar, except for the stupid thing right there. Why would you even do that? Unless... the only reason I would put that there, I wouldn't even put that there. I would just like make it a little bit shorter or make it flush with the edge right here. It's like a little dimple, and I think in the Monster Edge they have a spike. Like, what are you thinking when you're doing this? Unless the axle is like way too long, that's the only reason that I could think of that I would have that. You can literally not get any closer to an edge. Same size. Here, hold on, let's see if I can get that more. Legitimately same size, except one's not bimetal and one is, in the same shape. Basically the same center. Yeah, why didn't they just do this? Look at that. That's the shape I want in this. Yeah, basically it's just like an unbimetal edge. That's all it is. There's not too much special about it. It spins for a really long time. And it came with the mystery box, 4 or 5 or something, I actually don't even know. But I have the winter mystery box coming sometime this week, I think, because I pre-ordered the last one and I should get it really soon. Here, I'll be definitely doing that for a video. That's gonna actually be sick. I'm guessing my guesses for that are the Gentry Stein has a new yo-yo called the Icon. I'm guessing that, or maybe Tessa Pacilio is getting a new yo-yo because on the front of the box it has like a Tesla. Like, not a car, like a Tesla. Tesla, that's right. Like, those towers that shoot electricity or something like that. Tesla, I don't know. That's my clue. I'm not sure if it's correct or not. Probably not, but that's my guess for mystery box number, like, 6 or something. I don't even know. Yo-yo, but I wouldn't, if I knew... like how this was like made and stuff, I would not have gotten it. I guess what I'm trying to say is get the edge other than this one. They're basically the same. The weights I think are about the same. I'll have both specs of the edge and the olauEdge up in a second here. I already have the edge. I don't really need this one, so yeah, I don't know. It's pretty good, I guess, but not my type. The finish on it is kind of weird. I kind of like the edges finish a little bit more. But overall, it's a bit on the heavy side, which is fine. I like heavier yo-yos more. That means they spin long, and I like spinning long yo-yos, so... I don't know, that's my opinion on the olauEdge. I was supposed to do a review on this yo-yo a long time ago. Woo! But I didn't, and so yeah, sorry about that. Here it is. It's kind of late. I'm sure there's a bunch of other ones out, so that was probably bad timing by me. But yep, olauEdge, heading out.